bring you warm greetings and well wishes from the Kingdom of Dagbon. It is with profound respect and appreciation that we, emissaries of Ya-Naa, II, the King of Dagbon, humbly present ourselves before your Royal Highness, your Royal Majesty, to convey our deepest gratitude and admiration. Your instrumental role in mediating a protracted conflict between the two ruling families in Dagbon, following the tragic murder of the late king, Ya-Naa Kotoko, and it remains a testament to your wisdom, leadership, and commitment to fostering peace and harmony within the Ghanaian traditional landscape. The tireless efforts and unwavering dedication demonstrated by your Royal Majesty, alongside the esteemed Committee of Kings, His Majesty the Ya-Naa and His Majesty the Yabongura, were pivotal in paving the way for the peaceful resolution of the conflict and the subsequent installment of Ya-Naa as King of Dagbon. The enduring bond of friendship and mutual respect between Ya-Naa and your Royal Majesty is a cherished foundation upon which the reinvigorated spirit of peace and unity in Dagbon continues to thrive. We are here once again to express Ya-Naa's profound gratitude for your Royal Majesty's invaluable support and guidance throughout the delicate process of reconciliation and restoration in our beloved kingdom. As a symbol of our enduring gratitude, we have brought forth gifts, a bull and 100 tubeers of yam, as tokens of appreciation and sentiments of goodwill. As a humble gesture to express our heartfelt thanks to your Royal Majesty. These offerings serve as a tangible expression of the deep respect and honor that the Ya-Naa holds for your Royal Majesty and the esteemed Kingdom of Asante. We are also here to reaffirm Ya-Naa's unwavering commitment to upholding the values of peace, unity, and collaboration, not only within the boundaries of Dagbon, but also across the broader Ghanaian traditional landscape. The enduring bond between us.
Joe.
I hope my brother is very well.
Joe.
I thank you very much for coming today, and please send my regard to my dear brother.
Joe.
For sending such a high-powered delegation to come and see me today. My role in the settlement of the Dagbon issue was more like a duty, because I'm also part of the Dagomba community.
Joe.
You have to bear in mind that we are brothers.
Joe.
So it wasn't more of any national assignment, but a duty to bring peace to my people.
Joe.
And that's how I saw it. So that's why I wholeheartedly put my heart and everything in it to make sure that we had peace. Because if there's no peace in Dagbon, then Ashanti also suffers from it.
Joe.
So to have peace now and settled everything now for us to be living in peace
Joe.
as a testimony to the blood relations that we have.
Joe.
And I should always continue to pray for peace in Dagbon and other places that we have.
Joe.
Ever since the Ya-Naa ascended to the scale, I've been monitoring with keen interest the way he's managing things up there.
Joe.
Maturity, sincerity, and open-heartedness. And I also realize that forgiveness has been part of his reign.
Joe.
He's accepted to bring everybody closer. And even going forward to let them rewrite a constitution that will bind everybody. I've been following all that.
Joe.
And I realize that those who are due for positions, he's been doing that with fairness for everybody who is due. And he's brought the Abudus and Andanis together.
Joe.
As a father. And that is something that I appreciate him for. And so please tell him that whatever he does, I sit here and I monitor and I follow things, and I know that he's on the right path.
Joe.
If things had gone wrong, I would have been the first person to draw his attention to. But for now, I realize that things are going on very well.
Joe.
And therefore, I will urge him to continue as a father in this position. It's not all sweetness that you will hear. Some of the things will be bitter, but he has to swallow everything and then carry on.
Joe.
And at the end of the day, the legacy that he leaves as a king who started bringing reconciliation to Dagbon. It's something that would endure forever.
Yo.
So I cherish him. I'm yet to visit, and I know I'm in the 25th anniversary this year, and I know that I'm expecting my brother to come officially for us to celebrate together.
Yo.
After that, I would also make plans. I said to him that I wanted to visit.
Yo.
And he said I shouldn't come, but I will come.
Yo.
And so a time will come during these anniversaries, I look forward to seeing him. And after that, we will plan for me also to come over there.
Yo.
Because I still want to be there to enjoy the peace that everybody is enjoying out there.
Yo.
And I thank you for the gifts that he brought for me. I know he's been doing that for me every time.
Yo.
I told him that if I need any yam or boo, I'll be asking him to bring.
Yo.
Even when I've not asked, he's brought me all these. So please extend my gratitude to him and say that I pray for him and I wish him well.
Yo.
Fortunately, I have my son here who is also now playing his role. And I said to him that it is his duty to make sure that everything goes on well. And Ya-Naa also is given the right advice to be able to do that. So I know that he's in capable hands.
Yo.
I know they're looking after him. This one here did very well when we were doing the settlement.
Yo.
He was here and he did very, very well.
Yo.
Say thank you also to him for being, because he was here every time. The interpretation issues that we want people to appreciate and understand, he was there to be able to explain to people. And whenever there were issues that we would ask him to come and explain, and then he was there. So he played a major part in the settlement, and I am glad to see him serving the Ya-Naa
Yo.
faithfully and sincerely as he should be. And I thank you very much for that.
Yo.
Your Majesty, need more hand in hand. So he's asked that I make a personal appeal that some lines of communications are open so that he can communicate more often, communicate more in the future.
We used to. I'll take note of that and then we shall still rectify that.
And I is looking forward to the visit when the dates are settled.
Your Majesty, once again, we are most grateful that given us a warm reception. We are indeed glad to extend your sweet message and appreciation to your friend, Ya-Naa. On this note, with your kind permission, the delegation will want to take a few minutes. Your Majesty, thank you.
What we say there?
Ask permission for us.
That's done. I'm also doing. Say there. What's the more professor? And I said, well, it's more kind of so how more said it. You know, I'm at the. Also, when some of us saw I'm on fire. I'm going to find out what to say.
Being the spokesman, you are closer to, you're always by the old man, and
Yeah.
so now you lay so that we know how to. So then look at and the two of them, they know themselves.
Your Majesty, just that he travels so much. And thank you.
Just that